You can start making money online for typing online with the help of this platform, which is totally for free, and you can work with it worldwide. And how you can make it work and how you can do that, even though that you don't have any previous experience at all, or even though that you don't have writing skills at all, well, I'm gonna teach you how this kind of platform, which is totally for free, can pay you more than up to $6,000 per every day for just typing words or just for typing different sentences. So in order to make it work and in order to understand which one is this, don't forget to watch the video till the very end of it and to follow every single step, because not only I'm going to teach you how you can use this platform, but as well I'm going to share with you a crucial step which is going to help you to maximize the earnings and is going to help you to get accepted with the help of it. And as well, with the help of this other platform, you can understand how you can earn more money online just for doing typing jobs, get certificated, and get paid for doing that. Before going there and sharing that with you, don't forget to go into our channel, Better Personal Growth, and welcome back. If you do really like this kind of content that we share with you and you try them by yourself, don't forget to show us your support by giving a big thumb up to the video below, by subscribing to the channel and pushing the notifications on. This is going to help us to show your support, and as well it's going to help you so whenever we post a new video, you will be the very first one who is going to get notified and not miss them. Share your comment if you do have any question or support or anything to say at all. Share it with us at our comments. Now, the very first thing that you will have to do toward this kind of strategy is for sure to use the platform which is called talentdesire.com, which is related to different online current opening jobs like typing, proofreading, and stuff, and you can get paid for just doing that. But before going there, you will have to go to ratatype.com and start doing a test to your testing speeds. You will just click into start typing now, and after that you will have to type what they have told you here. So type to find out how many words you can type within, and you will do the test so you can see how fast you can type and you can get certificated just for doing it. So stay with me till the very end of the video, because I'm gonna teach you how you can make a dime just for using this platform and just getting for sure a certificate. The platform I told you, it's called talentdesire.com, and after you have made the test, you can get back here. You can become your dreams come true here. You can earn and make a dream career with the help of this platform. You can work with the most popular brands and earn money online from home without investing nothing at all, and just by using this platform totally for free. How it works is for sure to explore the jobs that you are more interested into that. After that, you will have to apply so they can accept your invitation. After that, you will get hired, start working, and for sure collecting money that you will be able to get from this doing it. You can read other information for sure at Start Here, perks, tools, tip, find answers, contact, and log in. But what is important for us, it's current openings. So just click there and you can be directed right over here where you can see some other categories as well, not only typing jobs, but as well the other ones are offered. You can see that it is offered online typing jobs, medical transcription jobs, and online tutoring jobs. You can see that every kind of these jobs, it's getting paid high amounts of money online, and you can see them under the title of it. What is important for us is online typing jobs, and why I'm suggesting it to you, it is because it's one of the best platforms to see how much you can type, and as well it's one of the best platforms, and as well it's easy for everyone, every one of you can start typing and earning a dime within a day, up to $60 to up to $120 per day for doing that. And yeah, now that you're here, what you're gonna do is for sure just to click online typing jobs, and you will be directed into their main page where you can see that this is one of the best ways to earn money with their typing skills. If you want to earn some extra cash, you can work from home whenever you want, at what time you want, with the help of talentdesire.com. What they offer to you is top pay. You can earn up to $130 to up to $27 $1,000 per year as your skills and experience grow with the help of TalentDesire.com. Now that you hear what is important is to sign up totally for free to apply to their information, but before getting there, you will need a certificate. And as I promised you, you can use Ratatype.com so you can get a certificate with the help of it. Now that you are into Ratatype.com, you will have to fill in some information like signing up totally for free, like fill in information like sign up with Google or Facebook or other ones which you know which is the fastest one and the easiest one. This is what I'm going to suggest always. Now that you have created a total new account into it, you will have to type your names and for sure to start doing typing jobs so they can see how much or how fast you can type. After you have signed up totally for free, this is how it's going to look like. For the moment, my access is denied, but you can go to the dashboard and see how it is or what is written there. This is the certificate I've got just for typing jobs. I did with Ratatype.com, and I've got the certificate, so whenever I apply to another platform, I can attach it. Yeah, this is what you're gonna do as well, so you can earn highest amount of money. Now that you are here in TalentDesire.com and you have the certificate, you will have to click into apply now, which you found it at the jobs positions, the current ones that are opening. Now that you're here, you will have to be directed right over here to this page. Pay close attention, guys, because I'm going to teach you how you can do application, earn faster, and get hired faster. You will have to click into step number 1 and select an application form, and you will be directed right over here where you again will need to select an application form. You will click into online application form, and after that you will have to click into fill in your details to apply and work with us. Now for those of you who didn't work, you can just pause the video, get back and to see what you can do with the help of it. And yeah, after you have done it, you will have to fill in information like first name, last name, other contact number, professional information like the job, which I have put it online typing job because this is what we are going to do, and what time is best for you. I have just selected all day because it's one of the best options you can use all day with the help of this platform. And after that, you will just need to choose between all of the bank accounts that you are going to get money transferred, like PayPal, Payeer, wire transfer, direct deposit, and Skrill. So for those of you who don't know how to use them or who don't have them, you can just choose between all of them. Now that you have completed your information, you will have to wait for some days until they accept your invitation, and you will get paid starting doing it just for doing typing jobs, getting paid again and again. And that was all for today. I really hope you like it, and if the answer is yes, don't forget to subscribe, to like, and to push the notifications on. Thank you for watching.